What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Honda Shadow. Guys, this bike's in great shape. It's a great little starter bike for anybody. Rear fender's got a couple little scratches in it right there. Little scuffs over here. Got this rear luggage rack. It's got nice bags on it. They actually don't look too bad at all. They're just slung underneath the seat, so you can take them off whenever you want. It's got a big old Mustang seat with a rider and a passenger backrest. Vance and Hines pipes. This thing's in pretty good shape, guys. I'm a big fan of these Shadows for your first bike. Like I said, it's an 05, so I mean, most of these Shadows were all made. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. They really haven't, you know, swapped up the Shadow anytime soon. Little chip there. A lot of people like the Shadow Phantom. I think it's still a Shadow, so I'm not too concerned about what Shadow I'm buying. It's one of those things you're probably not going to keep it forever, so you might as well just get a good deal on one. This is the Aero Edition. It's in good shape, guys. It's got like 20,000 miles. Oh, this is in pretty good shape. It's got skull accessories everywhere, which is probably honestly an upgrade from the stock hardware. I don't know if I necessarily love the skulls, but okay, 23,581 miles. Fires up right away. Good, guys. Like I said, 2005 Shadow, right around like 23,000 miles on it. Let's check the tire tread. Tire tread in the front is good. Tire tread in the rear is fantastic. So yeah, tires are good, guys. It's a great starter bike for somebody or like a middle-level bike. It's got a nice big windshield. It's set up for touring, set up for a passenger. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in.